So there are some companies that have warranties and guarantees that are even better than what a quote good replacement or lifetime warranty looks like. So they will do a replacement warranty guarantee for life even when you've used the product. AutoZone does something like this, and there's another company that I'll use an example that takes it even further. So sometimes when people hear about this, they are thinking, okay, there must be some type of interesting financial setup, or the company's so large that they have such a great relationship and such great volume with their suppliers that they can somehow pull this off, or there's some type of operational excellence going on. Actually, this really is rooted in consumer behavior. So I'll use this example. There's a company, I believe they're in Connecticut. They're called FCP Euro. They're an online parts store, and they basically sell every single part that you would need for European, mainly German cars. So they sell OEM quality parts as well as genuine parts. What companies like this know is they understand their customer base and they understand the industry dynamics in terms of consumer behavior. Let's just use, buying a new car as an example. So you buy a brand new car, and let's just say on average, at approximately 50,000 miles, give or take, you need to replace the brake pads. So you can go to the dealership, you can go to the Volkswagen dealership or the closest Mercedes-Benz dealership and buy a brand new pair of brake pads. But the thing is this, most people, even if you do buy a car these days, most people don't keep cars all that long. So if you need new brake pads in about 50,000 miles, there's a really good chance that you won't own your car at 100,000 miles. So that second set of brake pads that FCP Euro guarantees to you doesn't even relate because you don't even own the car anymore. Of course, all of these companies have certain restrictions and there is some fine print, but FCP Euro really does guarantee and they really do abide by what they say. All you have to do is give them the used part back, but you also have to be the original owner of the car. Original owner meaning original at the time, the first time you buy the brake pads, for example, from them. What they're doing is that they are betting on you not owning your car once that replacement part is going to need to be replaced again anyway. And generally speaking, their bet is correct. They offer these really great lifetime guarantees by not having to honor these great lifetime guarantees. So send me your comments and questions, and each week you'll get a chance to win a copy of one of my books. Your choice, either my book on presentation skills or business writing skills.